Hey Texters, Abby here, Product Manager at Easy Texting. Let's discuss how your business can leverage bulk SMS messaging to tailor enticing marketing messages that engage your target audience. As a quick refresher, bulk SMS texting allows you to instantly reach all your contacts, whether they're customers, staff, parents, or volunteers. Bulk text messaging helps businesses tailor messages around target audiences, small or large, in a thoughtful and consistent way. It's fast, easy to use, and offers worry-free message delivery with higher open and response rates than email. That means bypassing overcrowded marketing channels and reaching your audience quicker. The best part is, with Easy Texting, bulk texting's simple. You draft a message, select the right group of contacts, and send. Import and group your contacts to create targeted bulk SMS messaging lists, making reaching your entire audience or just specific members easy. And Easy Texting reporting tools allow you to track and optimize your bulk SMS messaging for success. How do you use mass text messaging? Great question. Here are just a few examples. Entice customers to return to the store with exclusive mobile coupons. Notify customers about new products and services with text alerts. Let customers know when their product is available with custom text notifications. Announce sales events with SMS blasts. Looking to grow your bulk SMS contact lists? Turn to our digital sign-up forms, QR code generator, and keywords. Want to bring your messages to life? Send bulk MMS messages. Easy Texting offers a best-in-class MMS experience, including access to millions of Shutterstock images and a premium image editor. Regardless of your audience size, it's time to start leveraging a fast, convenient, personal, and scalable communication channel by using bulk SMS messaging with Easy Texting.
Try it free today at easytexting.com/start.